Hello, doctor. I do not feel well today.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a headache and I feel very tired.
I see. When did it start?
It started yesterday evening.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little. I feel warm and weak.
Okay. Do you have a cough or a sore throat?
My throat hurts a little, but I do not have a cough.
All right. Let me check your temperature first.
Okay, doctor, thank you.
Please sit still. I am checking your temperature now.
Okay.
Your temperature is a little high. You have a mild fever.
Oh, I see. That is why I feel so tired.
Yes, that is normal with a fever. Let me also listen to your breathing. Please take a deep breath in and out.
Like this? Breathe slowly.
Yes, very good. Your breathing sounds normal. That is good news.
That's a relief. I was a little worried.
I understand. Now, do you have any body pain? For example, your back, arms, or legs?
Yes, my arms and legs feel heavy. My body feels weak.
Okay. Did you sleep well last night?
No, not really. I woke up many times. I felt uncomfortable.
I see. Are you eating and drinking normally?
I am drinking water, but I do not feel very hungry.
That can happen when you are sick. Thank you for answering my questions. I think I understand your condition now.
Okay, doctor. What do you think is the problem?
I understand your condition now. You have a simple viral infection. It is common and not serious, but your body needs rest.
That is good to hear. I was a little worried because I feel very weak.
Yes, that is normal. Your body is fighting the infection. You just need time to recover.
Will I need medicine?
Yes. I will give you medicine for your fever and headache. Take it 2 times a day after meals.
Okay, I will take it carefully. Should I stay home?
Yes, please stay home for a few days. Rest, drink plenty of water, and sleep well. This will help you recover faster.
All right. I will rest and take care of myself.
Good. If your fever gets higher or you feel worse, come back to the clinic.
I understand. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly. I feel more relaxed now.
You're welcome. Do not worry too much. Just follow the treatment plan and rest well.
I will go home, drink warm tea, and sleep early tonight.
That sounds perfect. Also try to eat light food and keep your body warm.
Okay, doctor. I really appreciate your help today.
I'm happy to help. Take your medicine on time and listen to your body.
I will. Hopefully, I feel better in a few days.
I'm sure you will. Get well soon. I am glad I visited the doctor today. Now I know what is wrong and what to do.
Yes, getting help is important when you feel sick. Taking care of your health is always the right choice.
I will rest, drink water, and take my medicine. I want to recover quickly.
We hope you feel better very soon, Jack. Oh, the bus just left a minute ago. It was a little early today. Are you waiting for that bus too?
Yes. Oh no, I missed it. I was running, but I was too late. I cannot believe it left already.
That happens sometimes. The driver does not always wait. Did you run from far away?
Yes, from the corner of the street. I saw the bus moving, but I could not catch it. I feel a bit tired now.
You should rest for a moment. The next bus usually comes soon. Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, every morning for work. I try to be on time, but today was difficult. I woke up a little late.
Mornings can be hard sometimes. I almost missed it yesterday, too. The buses are not always on schedule.
That makes me feel better. I thought it was only me. I really do not like missing transportation.
Do not worry, we can wait together. It is nicer when someone is here to talk. Waiting alone is boring.
Yes, that is true. Thank you for talking with me. I already feel more relaxed.
By the way, do you know what time it is now? I forgot to check before leaving home.
Yes, it is 8:15 right now. I always check the time because I do not want to be late. My work starts early.
Oh, we still have some time then. The next bus should come around 8:25. I hope it is not late today.
Me too. I really need to arrive before 9 o'clock. My boss is very strict about time. He always notices delays.
That sounds stressful. My workplace is more relaxed, but I still try to be on time every day.
Being on time is important. It helps the day start well. When I am late, everything feels rushed.
Yes, I understand that feeling. Waiting calmly like this is much better. The weather is nice today too.
Yes, it is cool but fresh. I like mornings like this. It helps me wake up properly.
Do you usually drink coffee before work? I cannot start my day without it.
Yes, I drink 1 cup every morning. Today I was in such a hurry, I almost forgot it.
Where do you work exactly? Is it far from here? I'm curious about your job.
I work at a small office near the city center. It takes about 20 minutes by bus. It is not too far.
That sounds convenient. I go to a bookstore near the park. I work there part-time on weekdays.
A bookstore sounds nice. It must be quiet and peaceful. Do you enjoy working there?
Yes, I really like it. I love books and calm places. Sometimes I read during my break.
That sounds relaxing. My office is busy most of the time. There are many phone calls and meetings.
Oh, that is very different from my work. Do you ever get tired of the noise?
Sometimes, yes. That is why I enjoy quiet mornings like this. Waiting here feels peaceful.
Look, more people are coming to the bus stop. It seems everyone is waiting for the same bus.
Yes, I see that too. I hope it arrives soon because it is getting a bit cold now.
Oh, look, I think that is our bus coming now. Yes, I can see the number on the front.
Finally, I am so happy to see it. We did not wait too long after all.
Let's stand closer to the stop so we can get on easily. There are many people waiting today.
Yes, good idea. I will get my bus card ready. I do not want to waste time.
The bus looks a bit crowded, but that is okay. Morning buses are always busy.
That's true. I just hope we find a place to stand comfortably.
Here it is. The door is opening now. Let's get on.
After you. And thank you for talking with me while we waited. It was really nice.
You are welcome. It was nice meeting you too. Maybe we will see each other again tomorrow morning.
Yes, maybe we will. Have a great day at work. See you next time.
Thank you, you too. I hope you arrive on time today and have a smooth day.
I hope so too. Talking with you helped me relax before work.
That is nice to hear. Waiting is easier when we have a friendly conversation.
Yes, and now the morning feels much better. I am glad we met here today.
This is my stop next, so I will get ready to go. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, take care and enjoy your work at the bookstore. Hello, doctor.
Hello. Please come in. How can I help you today?
I have a toothache. It hurts a lot.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which tooth hurts?
This one on the left side. It started 2 days ago.
I see. Does it hurt when you eat or drink?
Yes, especially when I drink something cold.
Okay. Did you take any medicine for the pain?
Yes, I took a painkiller, but it did not help much.
All right. Let me take a look at your tooth. Please open your mouth.
Okay, doctor.
Good. I will check your teeth carefully. I can see the problem tooth. It looks a little damaged.
Is it serious?
I want to be sure. We will take a small X-ray. It will help me see inside your tooth.
Okay. Is it painful?
No, it is quick and easy. Please sit still.
All right.
Good. The X-ray is ready. Let me check it now.
What do you see?
You have a small cavity. That is why your tooth hurts.
Oh, I understand. What can we do?
I checked your X-ray carefully. You have a small cavity in your tooth.
What is a cavity?
A cavity is a small hole in the tooth. It happens because of bacteria and sugar.
Oh, I see. Is that why I feel pain?
Yes. The cavity makes your tooth sensitive, especially to cold and sweet food.
Will it get worse if I do nothing?
Yes, it can get bigger and cause more pain or infection.
I understand. Can you fix it?
Yes, of course. We can treat it easily before it gets worse.
Okay, doctor. What should we do next?
We need to clean the tooth and fill the cavity. It is a simple treatment.
Will it hurt?
No, I will give you local anesthesia. You will not feel pain.
That's good. How long will it take?
About 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay, let's do it.
Great. Please relax and open your mouth. I will start now.
I am ready.
Good. Everything is going well. We are almost finished.
Thank you, doctor.
All done. Your tooth is fixed now.
Thank you. It feels much better already.
Your mouth may feel a little numb for a few hours. Do not eat hard food today.
Okay, I understand.
Brush your teeth twice a day and avoid too much sugar.
I will be careful.
Also, come for a checkup every 6 months.
Yes, I will. Thank you for your help. I am glad I visited the dentist today. My tooth feels better now.
Taking care of your teeth is very important for your health.
I will brush my teeth regularly and visit the dentist on time.
That is a great habit. Healthy teeth make a happy smile.